everybody, we're here today to talk about how to compost your wreath. So there are a few things, some are obvious, some are not so obvious. So the first thing that's pretty obvious for most people is that you have to take off the decor. So you just simply take it off. You can save it and reuse it for next year's Christmas or donate it. And the second not so obvious thing is to clip the wires or the string that holds these wreaths together. They don't just kind of stay like this. They have to be held together by string or wire or something. So that's the second thing. So you can see here, now that I ripped wire, you can see that wire. We're gonna clip it. And then we're gonna unravel that wire all the way. And so it can take a little bit of time, but as you can see here, there is a whole bunch of metal that we don't want ending up in our compost bin. So now that we've deconstructed our wreath, you can see it's fully deconstructed. If you can fit these pieces into your compost bucket, that's awesome. If it's gonna fill up your bucket and you need to put your food in there, don't worry. Throw everything in a brown paper bag and you place it next to your bucket when it comes time for collection.